Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if YouTube is not working. So the first step you simply need to do is to go settings of your smartphone and to go into the app management and click on app list. And here you need to search for the YouTube, click on that and click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and open Play Store and search for the YouTube. Click on that and you need to update YouTube from here. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and open YouTube, and now you can see that YouTube is working fine. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.